Doing sit work is amazing. Like, I've never experienced anything like it. From the very first session that I had, I felt immediately like just a huge change right away, and it's able to help me shift through a negative, like, dark space that I might be in, through that, and face it and examine it and come out on the other side feeling completely different and really changed in a way that I feel can actually be lasting and sustainable with continued work. So it gives me a lot of hope, and it really helps me feel a lot better in the moment and over time as well. I've seen a big reduction in my anxiety. That was the first thing that I came to work on, and I've seen a huge shift in my ability to face and manage other negative emotions like anger or insecurity or not feeling as if I have power or worth. I've seen a big shift towards a lot more security and peace and feeling my own worth and my own power. Nicola is awesome, and her sit work is amazing, and I think everyone will benefit from it.